Hello Nan, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Let's talk about yourself. Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
And what are you studying?
I am studying math.
Many subjects?
Yes, and then I like the most in math
Why do you like math?
because I think it's so exciting.
Many students don't like math. Why is it exciting for you?
Because some question is so difficult, but it has some funny.
How do you feel when you find the correct answer to a math question?
I feel happy for that.
Okay, let's talk about being healthy. What do you do to stay healthy?
I do morning exercise every day, and at the break time I usually go on foot.
Oh, so you don't go by car or motorbike, you go on foot?
Yes,
Okay, and would you consider yourself to be active?
yes, I am.
What does it mean to be active?
Just like don't still sit on the desk and don't do exercise.
Is it important for children to be active?
Yes, because if the children don't active, they will be lazy and their health will be came down.
Okay, let's talk about the weather. What kind of weather do you like the best?
I fall
Why?
because the fall isn't too cold or too hot, and when the leaf fall from the tree, it's so beautiful.
We have beautiful fall in Canada. I should show you some pictures sometime. Have you noticed any changes in the weather recently in Vietnam?
I think climate is change and the weather is too hot. And almost you can see this in the past. This is the fall, but now it's not the fall. It's maybe like the summer. I don't like that.
Mhm. What kind of things do you like to do in the winter?
Maybe I like sit and reading my favorite book.
Ah, that's a good activity. Now, we're going to do a topic that you have to speak on for 1 to 2 minutes.
Yes.
And I will give you 1 minute to prepare.
Yes.
And the topic is to talk about a building. And here is the topic. You have to describe a building that you like. You have to tell us where the building is, what the building looks like, what the building is used for, and what else? And explain why you like it.
Yes.
So you may write on this paper, and I'll give you 1 minute to prepare. Are you ready?
Maybe no.
Not yet?
Yes, because I don't think that I have my favorite building.
Okay. Well, what kind of buildings do you know? In Hanoi, for example,
No.
do you know the Lotte building?
No.
Do you know? Have you ever been in the Ho Chi Minh Mausoleum, where Ho Chi Minh is lying?
Yes,
Maybe you can talk about it, or maybe you can talk about a museum or library or restaurant. What would you like to talk about?
because I just have heard about this.
You can talk about your home.
My home?
It's a building, right?
Yes.
You know about your home. You can tell us about where the building is, what it looks like, what is it used for, and so on.
Can I tell about my parents' hometown?
Okay, yes. any building that you want, okay?
Yes.
Just a minute, why is my timer not working? Ah, there we go, okay. Are you ready? Okay, I'll give you 1 minute now. There's no part 3. I can use part 3 from... okay, thank you. Okay, so that's 1 minute. And now you have to talk from 1 to 2 minutes. After 1 minute, I will put my pen on your notebook, okay? And that means 1 minute is already up, and you can think about how to close. If you talk more than 2 minutes, then I will stop you, okay?
Yes.
Go ahead. Yes.
Hello, today I will talk about my favorite building, and it's in my house, and it's located in Beijing City. It has 4 floors, and it's in your house, but it's really green because it is surrounded by many trees and flowers. And it looks like a fairy garden in the stories, and my family has lived here for a long time, and I like it because it have a lot of memories. Just like I live here, and when I was born, my parents were so happy, and it's the beautiful memory I love. Thank you for listening.
That sounds like a wonderful place to live. Okay, in the next part I will ask you some questions about traditional and modern buildings. Do you think it is important for the government to preserve traditional buildings, or should the money be spent on essential services such as hospitals and schools?
I think the government should use 15% to traditional building and the others due for modern building. Because if the government use more money to modern building, I think it don't have much green space for everybody, and you can see now Hanoi is flooded so heavily.
Is it important for government to pay for all of these things?
I don't think that is good because it's only traditional building. It's very broad and it don't have much land to play. Many stores or shops.
Many people like living in modern buildings. Why do you think that is?
I think they like because they like the modern furniture, and they think it's comfortable for them.
And what do you think the home of the future will look like?
I think it will be on the sky, and everything is how you the sun energy.
Excellent. That's the end of the speech or speaking test. Thank you. The next person